Hey guys, so I'm spotting some kids over there. They're yelling and playing. It's kind of sprinkling. I don't know. Yeah. Our neighbor has so many cars. Like, okay, has that gray truck, that maroon truck right there. He has a blue truck and a Corvette. And we just have 2 cars. So sorry. All we have is 2 cars. We have this car and then we have a truck, my dad's truck, but he's at work right now. It's not a service truck, it's just a truck he uses. Because we're gonna buy a truck like maybe this month. And then it's my grandpa's truck and my grandpa's just letting my dad use it until we get a truck. Another truck that he can use to drive to work. Because he has a service truck, but apparently his work isn't letting him take it to his house. And I'm about to go get haircuts so I can just see 3 kids. Our other friends. There was a double rainbow last night. I posted a picture on Instagram. It was like right here. It was so freaking like there was a perfect rainbow going from here like that. It was, you could see the whole thing. It was literally perfect. And then we had another rainbow that was going over it. You can only see like part of it because it wasn't a complete rainbow. It's my house. I'm kind of bored right now. I think my brother's taking a shower. Yeah, it's sprinkling out here. Oh god, car coming. Oh god, that was so freaking good. I did 2 car comings in the same way. And the ball is falling in the road. Apparently, I'm like Flash and got it right before. Well, no, I think the red car. Yeah, the red car that you can still see it was over there. It was like right here. It slowed down because it saw my ball going down. So I'm like, okay, thanks, man. Let's see, it's best. Garage is open. Oh god. There's another 11-year-old over there. Dang it. I don't know if you saw that mouse. I don't like. No, here. Oh god, let me see. Good smell. Wait. Yeah, I got it. Okay, you just saw it. I think she was taking a picture or something. I got a quick. Oh yeah, now it's starting to rain. Yeah, she lives like there. Oh, snap. Another car coming. It's raining naturally now. Okay, I'll just go on the porch. My brother was behind. There he is. I'm gonna go see if I can sit down. Girl, she looks like she's like 11 or 12, maybe 13. I like this neighborhood. Oh, she has, yeah, their garage was open. Maybe I can just like walk. No, I'm gonna get my scooter and just drive by. Oh, dang it, the garage is closed. That's right. Wait, is it no, the garage key to open the garage door here. Oh, yes, it's unlocked. Okay. Here it is. Okay. I don't know what to put in there. There we go. Yes! Okay. Here we go. Oh my gosh. I can go past the road. Like, I can go across the road. Like, I have to look like this. Oh god, she's right there. Yeah, let's not go away. Oh god. The guy at the house with the boat over there. They fixed their fence the other day. And yeah, they have 2 kids. Those are it. Those kids right there. You can see them. Right there. Right. Yeah, there was that house with the red truck. I don't think I'm allowed to drive any of this. To riding school, he wasn't. He was. But you know what? I'm fine. Because freaking crap. There's my brother. There's a girl over there. I think she looks like she's like taking a video. Oh god, she's filming me. Oh god. I think she's just filming me. I think she's go flip, she's filming. There's a girl over there. It's like maybe my age or something. Maybe like 1 or 2 years older. I think she's filming me. Oh, I think she wants to have a film battle. I don't know what that is. I just made it up. Look, she says it's right there. She wants to film battle. Which I don't know what the heck that is. Okay, this person isn't home, so I'm just gonna go ahead and drive in this garage way or something. What?
That's cool. Yeah, people scared it.
No.
Yes, it was.
No. Or maybe it was actually. Wait, oh god. Why do I keep looking at the phone? Walking. Oh god. Oh, Samuel's going to do it.
It's thundering.
I don't know, she's playing on her phone, like in the middle of this house. Like, I think she wants me to like her or something. No, it's not. I asked her if it was raining. She said, does not look like it's raining. And I'm like, it's freaking sprinkling right here. Are you serious? Like right before I made this video. So then, because I asked her because I wanted to know if it was raining or not. So I couldn't
She
have
just
it.
said hi to me.
What? Oh my god.
She just freaking said hi.
So. She's the one who wanted to have a film back. Let's go drive past her. Oh god. I don't know if I want to do this. I don't know if I want to do this. Oh god. I think I don't want to. No, I'm right. Oh yeah, I'm gonna do it. Oh no, I'm not. I just drove like right past the garage. I just drove right past the garage. Slow down. Now how am I gonna get back home? So my house is all the way over there and she's right there.
Huh?
I have to drive past the bin. Are you kidding me? I don't want to do that. What, Mel?
Let's just walk through it, okay? Right.
There we go. Oh, God. think she said hello or something. I think she's like, hello. That's what I heard. Oh, blood. Phone's wet. I'm gonna go over here to this room, so I'm gonna go say hi to her. If their mom is. Nobody? Nobody? Okay, let's go. Gotta go quick though. I don't wanna get in. See? Oh. Now, my house is right there. I think she's still freaking filming. She's either playing on her phone or filming the ground. She pointed her phone at me, so I thought she was filming. Maybe she was doing a Snapchat. I met a new friend today. I like garage wood. It's just fun. Who? Yeah. Those kids are hungry. Like yesterday. Ah! Go! I don't want to go past this, but okay. Wait. Ow. Okay. In the funnel. What? No. Maybe, I don't know. Same room. What are you looking at? Huh? Taylor was just like literally staring at her like oh God. She might have been the girl that we saw at the pool yesterday. I don't know. Okay, now it's seriously annoying. Wait. Oh, there's a freaking car. Get back. I'm gonna go anyway. Okay, they're turning this way. Okay. Let's go. I think that girl finally went inside. Let's go in the garage. It's actually raining now. For once in an hour.
You done?
I don't know. Sitting on the chair. Get out of here, rag. And the other rag. Now I'm getting in the trailer because I feel like it.
You can't.
I am now.
Don't get on that side.
I know.
Help me.
Okay, so unfortunately it's raining now.
Help me. Please help
But
me.
I just dared myself to do this. So yeah.
Me too.
I'm daring myself to, oh God. It actually feels pretty good. Whoa. Okay, hopefully I don't slip. Oh God. Oh God, we're backing up. Oh gosh. I don't want to slip, please. Whoa. Oh yeah, I just slipped a little, barely.
Even if I get shot, it's real.
Just for, what the heck? Yeah, it's kind of getting.
I don't care.
Okay, let's go in the house now.
Don't do this, man.
Okay, I'm gonna close the garage. Put your scooter in. Come out. I'm gonna close the garage. Open it up. Come on. Oh, sorry. Come on, hurry.